sounds right. It doesn't run. There she goes. Turns out I'm an idiot, and the whole time I was running it, I had the choke on, and I thought the choke was off. It turns out the up position is off, and the down position is on. Alright, she's fixed. There was nothing wrong. Alright. Alright, it's time for the grand finale. Marine 2-stroke oil. A lot better than the regular Lucas because it withstands high RPMs. It withstands a continuous RPM a lot better. It does not break down on the upper piston ring area of the engine. That's what this is designed for, because boats are always humdinging at a good lick of speed, and they never get let off of, which is perfect for what I'm doing. Alright. Now, you 40-to-1 guys might want to get a trash can, because you're about to... Yep. Let's get a little closer, you can see what ratio that is. This is 28-to-1. Oops, I guess everywhere. I'm making a huge mess. Alright, perfect. Gotta get it mixed up real good. She might like dirty on the outside and leak oil. Speaking of leaking oil, let's see how we need to add any. Nope. She's got a little bit of an oil leak. It's a 20-year-old four-wheeler, what do you expect? Mint. Runs mint, I should say. Alright, let's put this in there. Oh, we're getting sketchy. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. It's been sitting for 3 days out in the cold, rainy weather. Let's see how it does. Let's see what she does, even though I just said that. Oh my god. Cats, how many times do I gotta keep telling you? My tarp isn't a home, and it's not a bathroom. God dang it. Come on, baby. That's just 2 strokes, I guess. Sometimes they're eager to go. Sometimes they want to break your foot off, like this time.